Microsoft 365 Defender is an enterprise defense suite providing integrated protection against sophisticated attacks. It coordinates detection, prevention, investigation, and response across endpoints, identities, email, and applications. This comprehensive suite protects your organization across four critical areas. Microsoft 365 Defender includes four integrated solutions. These include Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Defender for Office 365, Microsoft Defender for Identity, and Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps. These integrated solutions work together to detect threats and automatically respond to attacks in real time. The Unified Security Portal provides a single dashboard for security teams. This allows teams to view alerts, investigate threats, and coordinate response actions all from one place. Microsoft 365 Defender streamlines security operations and improves threat visibility across the organization with automated response capabilities against sophisticated attacks. This comprehensive suite provides the integrated protection your organization needs in today's threat landscape. Microsoft 365 Defender offers powerful AI-powered threat protection. This technology automatically detects and remediates advanced attacks across your Microsoft 365 environment using machine learning to identify patterns and continuously adapts to new attack techniques. Another key capability is cross-domain threat correlation. This powerful feature connects signals from emails, documents, accounts, and endpoints to identify attack patterns that might be missed when viewed separately. Microsoft 365 Defender includes automated investigation and response capabilities. The system automatically examines alerts and takes immediate action to resolve threats, significantly reducing alert fatigue for security teams. Finally, Microsoft 365 Defender offers a unified security management experience through a centralized portal. This single interface allows security professionals to monitor security posture, investigate incidents, hunt for threats, and configure security settings, all from one place, significantly improving operational efficiency.